In today's tutorial, we're diving into the essential steps of integrating Snapchat Pixel with your Shopify store. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to Shopify.com, log into your account and access your store. Now, you might be wondering, how do we seamlessly install Snapchat Pixel? Well, the answer lies in adding a specific app to your Shopify store. At the bottom left corner of your screen, locate the Apps section. Give it a click, and you'll see the Apps tab at the top center of the screen. Here, type in Snapchat and hit Enter. Among the search results, you should find the SnapX Snapchat Pixel Manager or other Snapchat ads options. To proceed, click on the one that suits your needs. Keep in mind that some services come with a fee, in this case, $4.99 per month. Don't worry, there's a 7-day free trial. If you've decided to go for it, hit the Install button. A new page will load, confirm your choice. Now, at the top right, click on Install App to kickstart the installation process. And there you have it. You've successfully initiated the process of integrating Snapchat Pixel with your Shopify store. From here, you can start configuring your account settings to optimize your Snapchat ads. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more valuable content, and hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching, and until next time.